Hey guys, we're back here on the Rhino again. Did a little work on it today. Didn't get the camera going. The wind's been howling outside. And it's getting a little cold, so the batteries don't last too long. And having some trouble getting them charged anyway. Apparently my charger's not actually charging. So I'm going to have to charge them in the camera, and it takes forever to do that. So I'm really going to have to break down and get another camera. Better setup. But anyway, we did a little work on it today. Finished mounting our shifter bracket in the cage here. So next, basically the only thing we got left to do now is start building a cage. So I was telling everybody, my pedals, I'm going to wait until I get home from work next time before I start mounting the pedals in there. I'm gonna have to get my plasma cutter fixed. I'm not sure what's wrong with it, but I think next we're gonna start building on the cage, and I think that's about where we're at. We'll do the cage, and then we'll do all the I'm gonna take diamond plate. I'm gonna turn this thing around. I'm gonna take diamond plate, put in the floor pans here, then up around the armrest and all here. Floor pans, then back along the sides here, engine covers, all gonna be diamond plate. The roof, the cage is gonna come up, Then we'll have inserts in the roof for diamond plate also. I'm going to have to get my plasma cutter going to cut that for all the odd shapes we're going to have. Yeah, for right now, my second shifter, I've just got the hub on there for the second shifter right now. I need to put the actual shifter in the vise and thread one end of it to help keep it in there, or help hold it in there. All of that, and I'm gonna go ahead and stick the factory cage back on it and get a look at it. So hold on, we'll be right back. All right, we stuck the factory cage back on it just to kind of get a look at it. If you guys can see that, I'm not the greatest backwards camera guy, but that's the factory cage. Also, the back end of it's kind of sagging there. The rear end of it should be like 2-3 inches higher, just from things not being tight and all. But it's looking like my head, when I sit down, my head is about, I want to say, probably 8 inches. Probably 8 inches below. There's a ruler. Tape measure. Right in front of my face. Didn't even see it. It's actually, whoa. That's actually 11 inches. It's actually 11 inches below, where the factory part is. So we're going to be able to chop at least 7 inches off of it really easy. And we'll get onto that. I might have to go over to my parents' house and actually get the tubing. I've got it. It's sitting over there. So I have to go over there and get that, and bring it back, and start putting some in the bender here and see what we can do. I'm not real sure what we're going to do on design. We're going to chop it. We're at least going to chop, say, that much off the top. Then where I extended it, my factory point is here. So I'm not really sure if I want to bring this on back a little bit and then drop down to here. or if I want to bring this all the way back straight and then straight down to here. I'm definitely going to be putting a bar along the back of the behind the seat here to the bottom and up. Definitely going to be doing that, strengthen it out. And then we're also going this way. This way we're also going to be coming out just a few inches, say 3 inches, 4 inches. We'll be having a little bubble out around the cockpit or driver's seat. And then also from the top of the cage here on the back, we're going to be going down to the frame here. Then also on the front, we're going to be building a bumper on the front around the stock fenders. Be building a bumper and then bringing the bars up over top of the fenders back to the windshield. Wanting to kind of lower the front end so it'll come up to say here and then come back, so you got more of a swept look. So if it does land on its top, maybe it'll be easier to roll back on its wheels. I don't know, but anyway, let me know what you guys think. I'm up for any kind of ideas on this, and we might bend a few tubes, put them on there, and just see what it looks like. So anyway, stay tuned, and we'll be back in the next couple days, I hope, with a little tubing on the cage there. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and keep it up. Tell your friends, and we'll see you guys next time.
Go spray it. Go spray it.
I was too busy victory dancing. I gotta spray it. It was.
Why are you dancing? What the hell is...
Run, baby, run!